Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset REALME P3. Alright, so we have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is to reset through the settings. To do it, simply open up your settings, scroll down into the bottom, click on System and Update, and now click on Backup and Reset. And now all you need to do is to tap on Reset Phone. In here, besides, you can also reset network and Bluetooth settings or reset all settings, but we are interested in the last option, Erase all data. Simply click on that, and now all you need to do is to tap Erase data, clear all data, but also if you want you can erase data but retain eSIM profiles. It's up to you. Now tap one of those options. Then if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off. After a few seconds it will be turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that's the first method. When it comes to the second one, it's through the recovery mode. And you should use the recovery mode option, for example, when your phone is unresponsive, when it's not working properly, or when you don't have access into the settings and when you cannot do this normally. So to enter the recovery mode, first let's power off the device. Let's click the power button and volume up button to launch the power menu, and now select power off. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until we get in the recovery mode. So keep holding both of the buttons. Okay, keep holding. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we can use the volume keys and the power button to confirm the selected option, just like that. But also we can use our fingers. Now we need to select our we need to select format data. Simply click on that. Now we need to type this code using the keyboard, and now we need to click on format. Now the process will start. It won't take long. Oh, actually it's already finished. Data formatted. Hit on OK, and now within a second our device will be automatically turned on, and the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.